G'day guys, and welcome back to another video. We've got a new bike on the table ready for dismantle today. We've got a 2017 Yamaha XVS650. Let's have a little walk around this one. It's got a few little aftermarket goodies on it, all black, just a touch of chrome, which looks really good. This one has been dropped, unfortunately. Let's have a little walk around. Beautiful pipes on this one. So XVS650. Got some damage on the side, as you would expect for a bike that's been dropped. Aftermarket handlebars unfortunately damaged as well. Got some tank crotch dents by the look of it, the poor bugger. Also got some damage to the rear fender and these up end. This one does start and run nicely. It does ride and click through gears. Obviously you can't use the rear brake, you can only use that front brake. This one only has 13,400 kilometers on it. Beautiful sounding bike with those pipes on there. You've got the black spoked rims as well, and the black hubs. We'll check them for straightness once they are removed. Same in the back wheel. Apart from the obvious damage, we've got the tank damage, the rear fender damage and the handlebar damage. Everything else on the bike operates and runs as you would expect. Everything will always be double checked as it's removed before it's relisted on online for sale. If you have any questions guys, please don't hesitate to ask. We're here to help. Worldwide shipping on all of our parts, over 13,000 listings live on eBay, www.bikesparesaustralia.com. Let's have a quick listen to that Vance & Haynes exhaust as well. Thank you for watching guys, we'll see you in the next one.